This is Phuket raining season. It's gonna be like this, rain all the day and it's gone for suddenly.
Every day is a rain.
Raining season. I got a little bit hurt. I was gone for many days, right? We was very busy.
कहाँ बिजी थे? ऐसा बोला दांत निकाल दिया था इसलिए उसमें बिजी हो गए थे।
No, I दांत निकाल के इतना बड़ा बड़ा ऐसा हुआ तो how can I check the video, right?
और अभी सितंबर में ज्यादातर फुकेट का वेदर ऐसा ही है, बारिश कभी भी हो जाती है। अभी तो आइलैंड ट्रिप भी कैंसिल है।
1, 2, 3 count. You can count and it's come and you can count like 1, 2, 3 gone. It's well gone.
तो
It's like a
अभी
wish.
ज्यादा आइलैंड ट्रिप कर नहीं सकते, जो है सिटी टूर जैसा।
Shows, city tours, and kind of rafting and James Bond, like this kind of program only you can do. And like a PP island for snorkeling or something open island like this, open beach Andaman one, it's not really recommended. You see everywhere. It's gonna be little rain like this. If only rain is not that much problem for the island trip. It's only like you see, I have to close this side because of the rain. Look at my shop. It's looking so cool.
खाली टैटू बना सकते हैं
Yeah, you can make a tattoo only.
और एक्शन भी करवा सकते हैं।
Action you, they can
Bike rent
spend the
करवा
money.
सकते हैं, कुछ भी है हमारे पास।
Bike rent and the raincoat pancake, you can go for city tour by yourself. Okay, I will show you when now it's start gonna rain like a more heavy. You see? You see? You see? Just right now it's just like a very little one. Now it start raining more.
Not in the सामने हमारे ऑफिस।
Aja. Bandai Zigo. That's my front of my shop, front of Natinuri restaurant. Is it after long? Wait, let me show this side. It's look at that. It's gonna be rain again. Have big. It look like a Chiang Rai, smoky mountain like this. At the Chiang Mai, it's gonna be like this kind of, like all the time. It's like smoky weather and mountain. There has a lots of tour massage and this one, okay, this one only. This is mine. I will right now Phuket Malichian Tower. Later I will change. Before this one make it already. That's why. Just next to the Phuket tattoo, big tattoo. Now it start already rain for a. And it's gonna be. It's so smoky, all the day, all the day, all the time, all the day.
आइलैंड ट्रिप अभी कैंसिल होती है तो रिफंड कंपनी देती है या तुम देती हो कंपनी देती है?
तो देती हूँ ना. If by company say like the weather is not okay, not good, you can't move it today. They told us, so I can just refund you a full option. No need to worry about that because of the weather. I have a refund every different customer. You already seen, right?
Yeah.
Even tomorrow I have like a 20 September. I have an appointment, but it's also cancelled now. So I have to go to refund his swap card. So I have to refund him by cash. Right?
Yeah. So ऑनलाइन बुकिंग हमारे साथ कर सकते हो और रिफंड भी कर देते हैं हम।
No worries.
और
Yeah, you can take. You wanna say something up here?
No.
You living here from the 2 years. The house you are experiencing in the rainy season, hot season.
या इस बार ज़्यादा ही
Dry
रेन
season.
है और ये सितंबर में ज़्यादा रेन होना शुरू हो गया, अदरवाइज तो अगस्त में तो कम ही थी, राइट?
Yeah.
Starting from the September.
Kind of a normal rain. No, right now it's kind of coming a storm for Andaman. You see every country, not only here.
या वियतनाम में भी है,
Burma, Laos, Thai, Vietnam, China.
Yeah.
One more another country, which I don't remember. It's okay.
इंडिया में भी है,
Flooding,
या
water too much, a lot of. In Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai side is too much water.
लैंडस्लाइडिंग और
Like, you know, boss, too much water. I cannot come. No work. Same like that. I do every day. Only booking online one and only the show and
तो
some kind
जो
of like
ऑफिस में आ
that.
रहे हैं तो आने से पहले टेक्स्ट या कॉल या मैसेज कर दो तो हम
You
आपको
can
बता
come
सकते हैं
directly
कि
to the hotel. Don't need to wait and come like this. You see.
यो ओके, तो ये छोटा सा इंफॉर्मेशन वीडियो
Yeah.
अभी
Yeah.
अभी थोड़ा कम हुआ तो लोग
A
निकलते
bit,
हैं।
yeah. Now a little bit, just stop a little bit down, and now start a little bit heavy again.
और अभी बारिश वेदर के बारे में अपडेट करते रहेंगे, तो
Yeah.
किसी को आने का प्लान कर रहे हो तो
Yeah,
वीडियो
it's
देख के
this gonna be weather is a little bit bad until the show up in here is September also 23, 25. It's gonna be like this, but the big storm until to 22. This September 2024. Hey, how you can you say?
या
September the 2024 weather of the Phuket is in this September. It will be bad. It's really bad until to 2022 is big storm. Can't do it much program and trip like this. But from the after that is like maybe until to 25, 28. It's so maybe PP Island and something like that is can go again, but it's gonna be with the wave
James
and
Bond चालू
something
है।
like. Yeah, James Bond can do with the wave and some kind of like this. If anyone wants to know, and you can text in there, so maybe I can comment and let you know until the which day you are watching and which day you are coming here. So you can also ask a question in there, so I can reply you there. Nowadays I have nothing much to do except this YouTube.
ओके, तो
So-
फिर अभी यूट्यूब पे वीडियो बनाओ मोर और इन्फॉर्मेशन डालो तो पता चले लोगों को, क्योंकि कितने टाइम से अभी बिजी थे तो डाल नहीं सके।
Yeah.
तो सी यू
See
इन
you.
नेक्स्ट वीडियो, तब तक तो अभी नए वीडियो डालेंगे।
Mm.
ओके।
Yeah. Bye.